Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. Alright, so let's begin. Perhaps you were given one as a present or you went out and bought one. Now you want to go and add it to your account so you can go and start using it. It's super straightforward, so let's go and get started. You can actually do this in the Roblox app, so you can go and open it up. Of course, make sure you're using the correct account you want to go and add it to. Then go to the bottom right and tap on More. Scroll to the bottom and tap on Help and Safety. Then you can tap on Help. You want to go and click on Search Our Articles and type in Redeem, like so. Go and search for it. Now what you need to do is go and click on How to Redeem and Spend Your Gift Card. Scroll down here and find roblox.com/redeem. Tap there. Once you're here, you simply need to go and scratch off the code if it's physical off the card, or if it's online, you can copy it. And now you go enter it in here. After you've entered, tap on Redeem and you can add it to your account. It's that simple. So that's basically how you can redeem a Roblox gift card on mobile. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.